Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today Sunday for a shortcut tutorial. I had recorded this video previously, but when I went to do a playback, it looked like there was some technical difficulty and the recording stopped and I couldn't get it to play. So I'm just going to go over what I did. Thank you so much to all my subscribers and those of you who stopped by. I appreciate you guys very much. And feel free to ask any questions, and if you have any comments, they're always welcome. So today what I did, in fact, what I did for today's video was basically using oxide inks. This one is Festive Berries, this one is Salty Ocean, and this one is Pine Needles. And basically I used this was not necessarily a template, but I wanted a couple of white hearts, you know, just plain white hearts. And I thought I'll just use this to create a background. So what I did was, using each of the colors, I went ahead and I just had fun with it. You can choose to do darker areas, overlap, do lighter areas, like more of a shadowy look in the background. You know, just kind of use different for want of a better word, different, more pressure or more color where you want them, and less and what you can do to achieve that is, after you have done, like example, you want this, that, that, oh my word, sorry, if you want this to look that dark, once you have finished do this heart, you can just transfer to another spot and just use the rest to make the lighter shade, and pretty much just go all over if you would like. And then what you can do as a final you know, to anything, you can just kind of go ahead and use the rest of the what's on the brush, just to finish off, to make the white spaces look like something really, instead of just having just plain white spaces. Then you have this nice little coloration in the back. You don't have to add any more ink, just what you already have on your brush, and just go through. And there you go. So you have nice fun color, and you know, that's really all you do. Now the other thing you can do as well is, you can either adhere it to your card just as simple as that with your sentiment, or you can add a black piece under, you know, just so you can have what I call a peekaboo black on the edges, or you can use a black marker, example, just a black marker, and then use a ruler or something and just go around the edges to give it the look of a possible matted piece. So once you have done that and added your sentiment, you are good to go. You have created your own background with scraps, you know, scrap punches or punch papers. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Enjoy your week, and I shall see you next time. Be safe. Bye.